Service in Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern San Miguel County in northeastern New Mexico, south central Harding County in northeastern New Mexico, until 5 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:54 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles east of Conchas Dam, or 22 miles south of Mosquero, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Conchas Dam, Conchas Lake State Park, and Bell Ranch. This includes State Road 104 between mile markers 70 and 94. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico, Harding, and San Miguel. The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has